Hello, just breathe is always the theme. And each week I share about how to live in that state of just breathe and stay. Today I'd like to share with you this concept. You will always be consciousness, but as long as you keep your attachment to any particular story, experience, any identity, you will feel stuck, imprisoned. Because consciousness experiences and then lets go. But if you remain attached to a specific space and time, then you are in that loop of that moment, going over and over and over the same experience again and again and again. And that's why similar experiences keep on showing up. Now, if you allow yourself to receive the gift of that identity, experience, story, without viewing it as something bad or painful or not appropriate, viewing it from the space that you achieve by staying in your breath, by coming into your center, what I call the safe space, the point of presence, neutral space of equanimity. If you allow yourself to receive the gift of whatever that experience brought you, no matter what you judge it to be, then you receive it fully now, and then you can let it go. And then you can be available, because the space that was occupied by that continuous loop of repetition is now vacant. And in being vacant, it is now available for your expanded wisdom to fill it with endless possibilities. So don't be so hard on yourself. Don't keep on judging yourself on things that you should not have said or done, or on ways you believe you shouldn't be, things you shouldn't do, things that you judge and criticize continuously about yourself keep you stuck. What if you were to accept certain traits of yours and find the gift in them? And stop comparing yourself with others who don't have those traits and that you perceive to be better than you. Stop being so hard on yourself. And whenever a challenge comes up, instead of tipping the scales into panic, because at that moment it seems overwhelming and it seems like something you can't deal with, what if right then and there you take a deep breath, step out of panic, and allow something else to show up? Because as long as you stay stuck in self-judgment, self-criticism, panic, all of these stories, identities, that is what energy will be serving. You will keep on having that kind of experience. Because panic serves panic. Peace serves peace. Balance serves balance, and on and on. So my invitation today is to, as you breathe, and let go of everything you're holding on to or that you feel is burdening you or pushing or pulling you. Just collapse into your safe space, into your center. And allow the old story to be received in gratitude for a new one to be written moment to moment. Thank you. May you allow the gentleness of your essence in your breath to hold you and show you a new way.